shoes. Shoes. Hello. My hair, that needs to be fixed. I did a little updo. No idea if you can see me. This is the look. I have to go. I'm late. Wow. I genuinely filmed 0% of my New York trip. I lost my voice. Look how pretty it is the day I'm leaving. Going for a little walk. And I'm gonna take my matcha and I put a sweater on because it's really cold. Even though it's summer, it's like full June gloom. It's actually drizzling. It's raining, but it's kind of amazing. And this matcha rocks. I did this bundle. Oh, and then look how much storage. This is the look for my dad's birthday dinner. And, okay, this is the look. I'm taking this jacket with me in case I get cold. I'm bringing this bag and then little kitten heels. Good morning. I'm yet to like speak in this video. Good morning, everyone. I'm quickly getting ready to go to the Aloe gym, which I haven't done in months. So excited to see Laura, the Pilates instructor, and have a yap, catch up. Can't wait. And then after that, I'm having a lymphatic drainage massage at Aloe as well. So that will be lovely. Also, haven't done that in a really long time. Keep trying to just put a little glazing milk on my burn. I don't think it will scar. I've been pretty good about putting sunscreen on it, staying out of the sun, but I do start traveling a lot in 2 weeks, so I'm just hoping it's mostly gone by then. Oh, also new sunnies. I love them. They make me feel like a cool bug. They are from Thistle. I love this brand. Just gonna do a really, really tiny bit of concealer. This Tower 28 has quickly become my new favorite concealer. I use the shade EP. Just gonna use my hands because it's easy. I haven't been on YouTube in so long. I've just been, you know, really busy working on the makeup line, trying to get that out by end of year. I really think I can do it. It's been such a long process. It's rewarding, but it's just interesting because I'm doing it completely alone. I'm not doing it with my agency or anything like that, which I feel a lot of influencers or social creators like team up with an incubation company or their team, or they hire a team, and I'm really just starting small by myself because my dad's a fashion designer and that's how he started, just small. I guess that's kind of what I'm trying to emulate, but it's just a lot of chaos. But I really want to make myself proud. I want to make my dad proud. Rewarding, and it will be amazing when it comes out, I promise you that. Also, this lip liner has been my favorite shade. It's 708 Universal Earth by Makeup Forever. That's what I'm wearing right now. Kind of brownish berry red, but I love how it looks. That's all I'm doing for makeup. I'm gonna put my aloe set on because you have to wear aloe at the gym or they kill you. Just kidding, but you do have to wear aloe. So I'm gonna put my set on and then make a little breakfast and we'll head there. I have my Repettos on because I'm trying to break them in for summer. I think they're the type of shoe if you wear them enough, they get sickly comfortable. And then I just put my hoodie back on because I'm freezing. And then I have my little aloe shorts. I think one of these I have opened. Oh, maybe not. Oh my god. Look what came. My little books for the jewelry. Good morning. Today is going to be a great, successful day of organizing. There are two places in the house that have just been bugging me. No one's here. That's a tough bark. She's proud of herself too. There are two places. I'm not even a Red Sox fan. I'm actually not really a baseball fan. Anyhow, there are two places in my house that have been driving me crazy for months and I just haven't done anything about it, and it's gotten to the point where now I feel like I have to do it all in one day, which is just kind of how my brain works. I don't know. So it's my closet. I started reorganizing a little bit. You might have seen it in a previous video where I like redid my hoodies and sweaters, or shirts maybe. But it's the kitchen pantry downstairs and then the rest of this closet here. That's what I'm doing. I was starting downstairs and then I just figured I'd pull my camera out and film it. So, brushing the brows, and then I'm headed downstairs to reorganize the pantry. And then I'm doing my closet. I have a fairly chill day. I have to get these photos done for Reebok for a deal we have, and then I have a meeting with my team in the afternoon. But other than that, I'm home, I'm not working out, I'm not doing anything, I don't have to be anywhere. It's chill vibes. My eyebrows are so long, but I kind of like them. I also want to reorganize the jewelry into those boxes. Okay, we have quite a bit to do. I should probably check my phone. I haven't looked at my phone today. I've been up for like 4 hours. I don't know what I've been doing, but that's good. I have a bunch of these pop containers. Got them from the Container Store. This is trash. Things I'm getting rid of. And then this is the state of the pantry. My coffee machine broke and I have 100 bags of coffee now. So I'll get that fixed at some point. But here we have it. Here's my update. We have baking, and then this is like protein powder, collagen, nuts, chia seeds, stuff for like a yogurt bowl. And then down here it gets messy. There's like half pantry stuff, and then trash bags, and then appliances. And then up there is coffee beans, and I have so many of this brand's coffee beans. I'm putting some accessories like the KitchenAid and my mixers, whisks, and whatnot in there. And then blender. I'll report back soon. But these two sections look stunning. If I was in a past life, I had to have been an organizer. I have way too much fun doing this. It looks so good, I can't wait to show you, but I'm just gonna make a little yogurt bowl. Let me show you. Okay, so I have the coffee up top, then pasta and nuts and other stuff, I don't know. Baking. Just like extra pasta I couldn't fit in jars, and rice and seaweed. And then appliances. So this looks honestly beautiful. Very proud of myself. My label maker just died, so I need to put new batteries in it, but I am going to label some of these baskets. Here's the update on this side. This is just empty. We can hide her for now. Candy and cookies. Candy. And then I'm showing you this one more time. Okay, we've moved on to the closet. I have no idea what to do here. The swimsuits are a real problem. Can't even see anything. Yeah. I'm afraid because I don't have any idea of how to organize any of this. I have some jeans right here and pants, and then some hanging. And I'm like, would it make more sense to fold jeans? Would I see them all? Probably not, but maybe. I honestly really don't know. I think I'll report back soon. Okay. So now hanging up here, I just have t-shirts, like tank tops and casual tees, and then I folded all my sweaters. Step one. Step two, you saw this in my last video, but these are all my long sleeves and then hoodies. And then here I've done swim. So I did 2 baskets of that. And then I have to label those denim shorts, long shorts, and then that says cover up. And then I have extra space, which is always good for me. This was empty, so I did all my blouses. This is a tight squeeze, and it's not the most ideal, but it's better than all the t-shirts in one area. In here, I did overall jumpsuits and then like trouser pants that didn't fall into a denim category. Here, I have so many blue jeans that they get their own section. And then just cozy clothes right there. And then this, but it's just more denim and pants. And then slippers. And yep, that's pretty much it. I moved sweatpants into those drawers. It's Friday, June 13th. I have no idea what's been filmed in this video and what's not. But hello, it's another new day. Did a nice, like, steady, chill walk this morning on my treadmill and took my dog up on a little hike, which was really beautiful. First thing in the morning, no phone, just woke up, made a matcha, and then went for this walk and just had like the sunlight hitting my face really early. And it was just like such a nice way to disconnect. So I've been feeling like very calm, peaceful today. Sorry, my hair looks a little messy. I just filled a water bottle up with these Nello Calm packets. I'm trying them out. I use the tangerine flavor and it's good. But now I'm going in my sauna and I use the sauna brand Heavenly Heat. I just got a new sauna that I'm so obsessed with. I feel a lot of you that watch my videos are also kind of into like health and wellness and making sure the ingredients you're putting in your body and inhaling are non-toxic, and that's why I really like Heavenly Heat. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just know the owners and they actually did give me a discount code, so I'll put it on the screen. Totally optional, but if you're in the market for a sauna, I couldn't recommend this brand more. I'm gonna link one of the owners, Kayla's YouTube, down below because she specializes in longevity and she's just so incredible and so educated and knows so much about toxicity and how to optimize your health. And I just really admire her for taking the time. This is my sauna tour. So, the brand. And then it's just the perfect size. And then obviously it has the infrared light, so you just turn that on. There she is. You can control all the colors. Oh shit, I just turned it off. Oh no, I broke it. Ooh, now it's blue. Yeah, so anyway, you can do any color you want. I should look up the benefits actually of what the different colors, but I'm gonna do red. And then down here is the kind of old-fashioned regular sauna heater. So you can also do... Okay, I just put it on party mode. What did I do?